Hello. Pads and rotors on the floor because can't see any of that, can you? There's nothing going on here today. Completely empty. Alright. I'm gonna get to this. Gotta get it done. Yo, this is just a little update on the no power situation. I found a light. I think we're good. There it is. This is day 7. UFOs. See that? It's gone, just like that. See that tennis ball? Hey, get the tennis ball. Hey buddy, get the tennis ball. You got the stick? I still hear the UFO. There he is, the UFO's back. You can see that UFO. He's tipping over, he's coming over, I gotta go in the house, he's gonna abduct me. Who am I to identify its gender and be so rude sometimes? You can just barely see the thing. You can use my trash can.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome. What are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna drive my van in a happy state.
Let's just straighten up the van. It's a bit dirty. Ding ding dang dang dooka bum bum.
The van's a bit dirty. Gonna clean up the van.
Sounds good, man. Got the garbage bag or the garbage can.
Got the garbage bag.
The garbage. Grab all that shiz and put it in there.
Put the garbage in the garbage.
Want me to go? Son of a gun. We gotta get you some auto lock poppers.
I know. I'm living in the fucking.
Remo, don't go in that vehicle. There's lava in there. It's hot. I'm literally gonna film you clean your van. If there's any food in there, I'll eat it. What about your jewels so I say stupider shit while this happens?
Yeah.
What's in there? That's none of my business.
This is called.
Oh, look at that.
It's like a.
What do you think of that? I feel like paparazzi. So Jamie, what's the new album like? How many tracks? Any features?
There's 12.
Can you tell us anything important that we can tell Team Z and make a couple $100? Who you dating? Did you beat any women up in a hotel lately?
There's 12 tracks plus a bonus track. It's an alternative rock album /
Okay, boys, wrap it up. This guy's dry. Imagine. Where'd this guy go? Where is he? So, in my videos now, or these videos, these GLP videos, we're gonna have some music.
Feeling bold,
and all of it's gonna be copywritten because of this crazy son of a gun right here.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Whoa.
Hello.
So you like the camera effects?
Yeah.
They're good?
Why?
Man, I really like the music.
Thanks, man.
I appreciate you lending me music.
No problem.
Click the link in the top, click the link in the left, click the link in the right, click the link below. Man, right here. Went ahead and did an oil change on this truck, this van. It's leaking, transmission pan's leaking. It's a GM van. The whole front end, all the components are loose. The transpan's leaking a bit. There's actually transmission lines that are rotted. We didn't have the camera charged, that's why you didn't see it. The next video will have us showing you shit on cars. By us, I mean the actual people in the video. I'm not crazy. That's perfect. And then, still get more comfortable talking to a camera. It's really weird. It's weird. We got music. Okie dokies. Good to go? We use jack stands to support the vehicle so that the wheels and all the suspension were like under sprung weight. We did that by putting the jack stand on the A-arm. Boop. We lowered the vehicle until the rear hoist arms were just off of the frame. And then, you know, the A-arm was under, I guess, load, I can say that, without getting ripped apart in the comments. Coil springs all bound up. Check front, like, play, bearing, ball joint, top and bottom. All tight except for the steering components, which we're going to address. I just told Jamie, no, we're not actually going to address shit. Can you point to the alternator for me?
Somewhere down there, I don't know.
Bro, sometimes you gotta go and do what you gotta do. That looks like a fresh alternator to me.
True.
Let's zoom in with the camera so you can see what's going on here. Oh yeah, bro. Fresh alternator. Scared me. What's up, Doggamo? Hey, get out of my recycling. Hey! That's not for you! Ah. Oh. Are you going to start the truck? As if I just called you my love. Big Vance. We repair them.
How's it going?
Good.
You know where the lake is from here?
What lake?
Just the lake. I heard there was a lake.
Yeah, there's Georgian Bay.
Well, you know where that is from here?
Yeah, it's part of Lake Huron.
Alright.
There's Simcoe Lake and Barrie, but you're in the wrong area.
Ah.